Hey guys, welcome back to the Windswept Cowboy. I am Krissy, and you guys loved our Christmas top trends. We decided to do one for fall, and I am so excited to share with you my favorite pins. Be sure to follow us on Pinterest because all the pins that you're going to see here today, they're going to be in that board, and you can go and click on them and check out the blog posts where they came from and visit the authors, and you can give them some love. The first decor style we're going to talk about are the blues and earth tones. These are going to be your blue pumpkins, your blue hydrangeas. You're going to find pastel colors mixed in there. Also your ginger jars. They are so beautiful when you add your dried naturals. I'm really kind of blown away on how elegant and simple this decor style is. I know once you see these pictures, you will be too. The next style we're going to talk about is the Rustic Glam, and I'm really loving this too, and you guys know I'm doing this for Christmas. There are several pieces that I really want to mix in with my traditional decor, but I'm holding off for now. You're going to love these pins. For me, Rustic Glam, it's a lot of copper, it's mercury glass, it's the shiny elements, it's your velvets, your gilded pumpkins, like your golds and your silvers. I mentioned copper. You cannot leave copper out because that is a very big trend this year. Also, to add in your rustic elements, you have your wood, like your wood slices, you have antlers, you have pine cones. I mean, just so warm and inviting, but yet brilliant and bright. And to add that final touch, if you add some long taper candles and fairy lights, that just is the cherry on top. Next, we're going to talk about neutrals, which can be in every single category because you have to have neutrals for your other colors to pop. But for our neutrals, we are definitely going to stick with our whites and our creams and our grays and like your light taupes, colors like that. You're gonna have like your dried naturals and straw, just anything found in nature that has that color tone that we're talking about. And don't forget about the use of baskets and your wicker placemats and all of the things that make your dining table warm and inviting, or cozy blankets in a basket. Those are all very neutral. And just by adding a pop of greenery, your neutrals will really look so pretty laying on top, like a garland or a wreath or something along that nature, and then all of your white pumpkins and things like that really pop. Classic and orange. That is what I am striving for this year. I don't know, I feel like I just needed that warmth, the bounty that it brings, all of the fall leaves, the brown bottles, you know, just all of it, all the warm coziness that I can get this year. That's what I'm looking for. And then also don't forget, you've got your red tones, you've got your coppers that work really nicely in this group. Also your dark greens, your dark blues, anything that makes that orange and red just pop and come alive. You can also decorate with your cabinet spices, like your star anise, your cinnamon, and your nutmeg. Burlap also adds a really warm tone with all of the oranges and reds that you use. Your hay bales, I mean, think of corn mazes and how much fun that is, and apple cider, and I mean, that to me is all the cozy feels for fall, and that's kind of what I'm going for in my home this year. Last but not least, of course you know I had to mention Farmhouse. It's probably an overused term because there's a lot of variation to the Farmhouse these days. You've got your modern Farmhouse, of course your neutral. There's a lot of color coming back into Farmhouse, which I'm really happy about. You also have like your signs and your words, like your Ray Dunn things, your tiered trays, galvanized, like your galvanized buckets with beautiful rolled up blankets, and those can be either neutral or you can have the traditional fall color. So Farmhouse has really taken on a huge arena of home decor. And did I mention tiered trays? I don't even know, because those are so huge right now. Everyone is into the tiered trays. I need to jump on that bandwagon. I don't have one. And so I need some help, guys. I am not an expert at tiered trays, but I think they're beautiful. So join me on Instagram and share with me your tiered trays, because I would love to see how you guys decorate your tiered trays. The red truck, which is definitely mutating into the black truck and the blue truck and all the trucks. And they are all so beautiful. And just think of that loaded with a bunch of pumpkins in the back. And again, they can be colored pumpkins. So they can be the white neutral pumpkins with some lamb's ear running through them. I mean, it just really, it's up to you guys if you want more of the warm tones or if you are still into that more neutral Farmhouse. And it just is all so beautiful. Alright, you guys know I am obsessed with fall decor, and sharing my favorite pins with you has been so much fun. And you can kind of have a little sneak peek at my fall decor. My fall home tour will be coming up shortly for you guys. Be sure to subscribe because you don't want to miss that. Also, please give this video a thumbs up if you love fall decor like me. I am obsessed, like I said. You guys go and have a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!